Machst du ASMR?
Nein, eine secret message.
Ich kotze. It's raining man. Hallelujah, no. You know nothing.
Nothing.
I'm a sweaty mess. I'm ready. Hello everyone and welcome back to my beautiful background created by Vincent. So today I want to do another makeup challenge, and I just saw NikkieTutorials and Mikey do it, and that is doing my makeup listening only to the voiceover of a makeup tutorial. That's a long title. I want to try to do it today. I want to challenge myself. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, of course I can't choose the makeup tutorial myself, so I had Vincent do a lot of research for hours and hours, picking a makeup tutorial which he thinks is suitable for this challenge. So I don't know who he picked, I don't know what he picked, and he probably doesn't know it either. We have my laptop right here. I can't see anything, so he's going to push play and pause and play and pause, and yeah, that's how it works.
I really wanted to do something with like a vibe.
Desi.
Neon.
Okay, it's Desi.
Pink purple type of vibe. These
Pink purple?
I challenged myself not to use browns in the crease or a nude lip. Wanted to do something different.
Okay, pause. I don't want to do this, bye.
So the first thing I did was apply a little Scotch tape, just so I have a nice clean.
Pause, pause, pause. I don't have Scotch tape. Let's take Vincent.
First shadow I'm going to go into is called Saucy Miss, and this is by MAC, and I'm going to apply it with a MAC.
Pause! Okay, it's a pink. It's a bright pink. Let me go and look for a bright pink.
Bye.
Bye. We're filming! I'm professional! So I just grabbed the Huda Beauty remastered palette because it does have this super hot pink in here. I'm just gonna use this, and now let's find out what she's gonna do with it.
To the outer corner of our eye.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take it into the...
Wait, stop, stop, stop. She didn't prime her lids.
All around me are familiar faces.
Fuck. And as I know from NikkieTutorials video, she also did a Desi Perkins video. Desi didn't say anything about her brows in the video, so I'm probably gonna end up with no brows as well. Let's not prime our lids. Oh, hell no.
To the outer corner of our eye.
Outer corner. Oh, it's a little bit more, but... Oh, my Scotch tape is not long enough. This is actually working pretty well on not primed eyes. You guys, it's so hot in Germany, you don't even know. I mean, like, hotter than normal. We're not used to this weather. I applied the pink. Let's go on. Ich weiß auch nicht, hab ich irgendwie so drin. Pink. How do you say pink? Pink.
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 Yeah.
Pink. Vincent farted!
And then we're gonna take it into the upper crease.
Oh, I already did that!
Don't worry about the lid because we're gonna cover the lid space, so you don't have to be super neat there. I'm gonna get a slightly smaller brush. I'm gonna take a Smith 230, just really get into the crease in it because I don't want it to get too far up into my brow bone in this area.
Okay, so still using the pink, and I'm just slightly adding it to my crease, like Desi did. Hopefully. Vincent's looking at me like, oh girl, what are you doing?
Now we're gonna head into a purple color, and I have to use this because it's so sick. This is the MAC and Jeremy Scott collection Lo-Fi palette. I'm gonna go into this matte purple eyeshadow. Use the Smith 247 brush, and we're gonna deepen everything we just did. When winging out the outer part.
Okay, so she's using a purple matte, and I'm using this. Wow. I don't have the MAC collection she's using. I don't have any MAC products actually, do I? Oh. I'm using this purple matte shade out of the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And she said she's just gonna darken everything and apply it on my... I never apply my eyeshadow when I don't have my base on. I always do my foundation first, so that's kind of weird. Unprofessional! She also said she didn't want it to go too high in the crease, and I'm like, ugh!
Now that we did the crease, we're gonna go into the lid. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. I feel like my eyes actually look like this packaging right now, which was not planned. I'm gonna take this purple shade here, it's called Dye, and I'm gonna apply it to the lid. I'm just gonna use a flat concealer brush.
Okay, stop. Purple shade again? So it's probably darker. Help me. Maybe it's like a shimmer purple. Ah! It's dark purple. Oh, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 12P palette and this purple right here, and I'm gonna pick up a good amount. Oh, maybe that's not kind of bad. I'm
gonna apply it to the lid. I'm just gonna use a flat concealer brush. So I just really want to pack
No.
this on, make sure that it's all the way blended into the crease, just like with little patting motions. Go back in with my blending brush.
Okay. Got it. So I wanted to take this. It is kind of a flat brush, but also kind of a blending brush. So let me just put that aside and use a totally flat concealer brush first. I'm trying to do it like Desi. So I'm just patting it onto the lid. Luckily, I don't have to worry about any fallout because I'm not wearing foundation. I'll go in with this Fenty brush again, and I'm basically going to start blending it out with this brush. Oh my god, the fallout I have is insane. It all got stuck in my face oils. So I'm gonna go back in with the purple shade. I'm gonna go back in blending it out and then just packing it on and blending it out and so on. The fallout! Girl! I'm filming in Vincent's room, so he's not allowed to turn on the fan, turn on the TV, or just to breathe basically. Pink.
Pink. No.
Fallout! I guess I did it. Let's carry on.
Now we're gonna take the tape. This is like the moment of truth. Oh, I think that worked out. So now I'm just gonna clean up all this fallout here.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna just use some makeup remover wipes to get this purple fallout off my face. I'm so ugly.
Before I finish off the eyes, I'm gonna do the face makeup. I think for today's foundation, I'm gonna go back to a classic. It's my favorite drugstore foundation, the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this foundation.
Stop. Do I have this? Matte and Poreless? So I do not have the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, but I have the Fit Me foundation, and I guess that's the closest we're gonna get. Wow, I haven't used this in such a long time. Probably years. It's crazy. Let's take off my piercing. Ah!
It must hurt so bad.
I can't even use the beauty blender properly because of the nails.
Now that we've done our foundation, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the concealer. I'll be using my Becca. What is this called? We'll use it almost.
I don't have this. I have nothing.
Oh, so emotional.
Well, okay, then I'm just gonna let Vincent decide what concealer I'm using.
Tory.
Tory? The Tory concealer, everyone.
Name it Maybelline.
Okay. Okay, Vincent said immediately I should take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Did she say how she applied it? Can you just put it on?
Just apply it in the usual areas.
Yes, that's the usual.
Blending it out.
What?
Set these under eyes with a little loose powder. I'm gonna be using Laura Mercier translucent powder.
But you have that.
I did have that, but I ran out of it. This is also loose powder, and it's very similar to the Laura Mercier powder. It's very thin and translucent, and
all over my floor.
this is the RCMA translucent powder. What are you looking at?
You.
Oh.
I'm just going to just put a little powder right here, just to lift this area.
What is she lifting? What is she lifting? Lift. Yes, I'm lifted to the gods.
I think I'm going to use a black liner in the waterline.
Ah, I hate this.
Yes.
I do not have a black pencil eyeliner because I never apply black eyeliner into my waterline because I hate it. Thanks for that. I just found this Sephora eyeliner. It's not like completely black, but it's like a dark blue, so I think it'll be good.
What I'm going to do is take a pencil brush and just blend out those edges.
With what? Okay. Okay, carry on.
shades we used, and we're gonna smoke that lower lash line out. Okay. Keep it close to this black, connecting to the top over here in this corner. I'm going to highlight my inner corner with Lunar by NARS. Kind of matches my backdrop a little bit. I'm gonna hit it with a little Fix Plus. I literally have nothing she's using. Great. As I said, I do not have this NARS Lunar highlighter, whatever that is. So I'm just gonna use the Anastasia Aurora highlighting palette glow kit and this color Spectra, which is quite purpley kind of highlighter. I'm gonna hit it with a little Fix Plus. Voy a usar la Hula by Benefit. I have that! I'm taking my LC-E1 brush and I'm gonna contour my nose slightly. Ooh, she's contouring her nose, okay. Doesn't she do anything else? A little bit of that on my Cupid's bow to deepen it. Cupid's bow? I hate contouring my nose. It always goes wrong, especially if I do it with powder contour. What was it? Her Cupid's bow? I'm sweating. Okay, my eye is really red. What? I'm nachmachen.
Yeah, can you do it?
So she said she was putting the bronzer on her Cupid's bow, so like that. Looks like a mustache. Instead of contouring my cheeks and stuff, I'm just gonna do a subtle bronze because the eyes are already kind of crazy. I need bronze my ears too. Lift the tracks, bronze the hairline, bronze the jawline. So when you use a bigger, fluffier brush like this, it's more diffused, sheer, soft. I'm gonna use a new highlight today, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Parisian Nights.
You don't have that.
I actually do have it, but not in this shade. I do have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prismatic Amethyst. It is kind of a pinky, purpley highlighter, so I think that's as close as we're gonna get today. I'm gonna take a little City Color brush and apply it to the tip of the nose. No, that's too big, that's too big. Cupid's bow. And then I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the cheeks. And I'm not gonna apply a lot, like I said, just right here. And I'm gonna take it up into the temple. Let's dust off this powder as well. I'm going to be using Blossom Time Rose, and this is a powder blush by Milani Cosmetics.
And you don't have that.
Okay, so of course I do not have that blush, so I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. Trio? Blush? Trio. Do this. And not too much, she said. I'm going to be taking Grind from Urban Decay Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this in the inner corner right here. Just a kiss. She said she's applying the Urban Decay Glitter Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner by Urban Decay. But I do have the Urban Decay... I do have the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Glam Rock, so I'm just going to apply that to give it a little bit of a pop, like Jazzy did. Time for a little mascara. I'm going to be using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I have that. I have it right here somewhere on this desk.
Oh!
So proud of myself. I'm a beauty guru. I hate this mascara though. No, I don't like how sharp this edge is over here. I'm going to also diffuse that a little bit. I do want the sharp look, but I just want to buff out those edges so it doesn't look like I had a piece of tape there. Oh. I loved it before. Applying my iconic light lashes. I wore them yesterday, so they're going to be hopefully easy to apply today. Just adding a little bit of the House of Lash glue. Oh. I don't have that. But I have the House of Lashes glue!
Oh, welcome back! I missed you so much.
Oh, I miss you too.
You're lying.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
I'm not lying. You are lying.
You are.
No, my mom's lying. Let's not drag my mom into this.
You did.
Grüße an Oma. So I don't have the House of Lashes Iconic, so I'm gonna use these. These are not the Huda Beauty lashes. I just randomly put lashes in packagings they don't belong to, but maybe they are. I don't know. I don't know myself. I don't know my lashes. I don't know my life. Putting on lash glue
is the most boring thing in the world.
Let's do a harmony. For the lips, I'm going
into my Bite Beauty lip liner in the shade 64.
Oopsie! I don't have anything of Bite Beauty, I'm sorry. But I think I know what it looks like. Like, it's kind of a pinky lip liner, so carry on.
I feel like I need like a fuchsia pink. Let's try this
Fuchsia
color
pink.
by
Okay,
Decay.
wait. So I'm just gonna use this Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner, which is a pink. That's very pink.
Let's try this one by Urban Decay. This is Exhibition. I'm not really sure I like this pink at all. I'm just going to rub off the center. Going in with lip liner, and this is in the shade 86.
That's also like a pink shade, so I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. Carry on.
I think the look needs a little gloss, so I'm using Curvy. This is the I Love Sada E Color Pop collab.
I think it's like a brown gloss, so I just got like 3 different Anastasia glosses, which might be similar. Maybe it's this one. Let's try it. Oh, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee lip gloss. Oh, might be a little brown. I actually think this lip looks pretty good with the eyes. It's not like too nude and it's not like too bold. It's just, I like it. I really like it. I hope Desi's look is like this. Why are you looking at me like this?
That is it. That's the finished makeup look. What do y'all think? I think it's giving me Barbie Bratz doll vibes.
I'm done. I want to see what she looks like. Okay, I'm ready. Show me the look. Okay, well, the lips. So she did use a different purple than I did, and this part looks weird on me. It kind of looks better on her. The lip color is just totally off. Like, hers is like a bubblegum pink, and I'm like a nude brown with a hint of pink. Yeah, I don't have brows. That's just how it is. Full glam Barbie style. Does this look Barbie to you? But I mean, the eyes are pretty accurate. Hers like a little more purple and not that diffuse. Like, I just blended it up into my brow bone, basically. And also it looks like she has a shimmer on her lid. Did she use a shimmer on her lid? She didn't say anything about that, did she? Yeah, that's actually it, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat.
and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! That was not how I expected. Okay, that's enough. I think we're good. Bye bye!